Hello, friends. Welcome to me and math classes. Hello and good morning, friends. Welcome to this YouTube live session of me and math classes. Hope you're doing well this morning. You are happy and healthy, and you have woken up and you have had your breakfast. Come on, tell me in the chat box how you are doing. Good morning, friends. Welcome to me and math classes on our YouTube live. And a very good morning to all of you. And I hope you are happy, healthy, and you have woken up, freshened up, and had your breakfast. And you're ready for a fun session on BL Math classes. What do you say? You can send me any message you want to on in the live chat, and you can write your name along with it. As you know, that is the rule, isn't it? So whenever you send a message, you should write your name with it, whether it is any normal message or even when I ask you questions and all, isn't it? What do you say, guys? Hello, good morning, a very good morning. Yes, good morning, others. Good morning, everybody else. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to me and math classes. This YouTube live session of me and math classes, and uh, I hope you are having a lovely morning. And now I think we'll continue with our session. Okay. Any message you want to send, students, you should send in the chat box. Okay, with your name. So I hope you are happy and healthy this morning, and let's start the session. Hello, hi, Rupa Rao. You have to write your name. Good morning, Rupa Rao. You have to write your name, as you know. What is your name, beta? Ahria. Okay, Ahria. Very good morning to you. Very good morning to you, Ahria, from me also. Good morning, Adarsh. Good morning, Ahria. Good morning, everybody else. And let's start our YouTube live session. So today we are going to do some fun studying and fun questions on logical reasoning. Okay, so logical reasoning, it is like it is something which you do even in your everyday life. So you think why so why would you not touch a hot object? So if there is a heater, why would you not touch it, and why would you stay away from it? It is because you reason logically with yourself and you ask that why should I touch it? I'll get burned, isn't it? So this is logical reasoning, and I should stay away from it, isn't it? So this is the basic logical reason. And when you have to apply it, when you have to apply this logical reasoning more and more in everyday life, as well as in maths and in math problems and in reasoning problems, then that is known as logical reasoning, which we will have, which we will try to understand today. So that comes later. Before that, what we have to do, as you know, we have to unveil the star student of the week. So should I unveil the star student of the week? What do you say? Arya, Adarsh, everybody else. Maybe you guys are in it. Who wants to see the star student of the week? Who has done his or her homeworks and uh, attended all the daily classes and done the homeworks properly and well? Who has done it? Come on, tell me. Okay then, let me unveil the star student of the week. All right, all right. You just checked all the star students of the week. Okay. So who was it? Who was it? Let me go to the beginning. So it was first. It was Janvi Balyan. So congratulations to Janvi Balyan, who is one of the star students of the week. After that, it was Isa Binu. Many congratulations to Isa Binu on becoming the star student of the week. After that, it was Danushika. Danushika, many congratulations for becoming the star student of the week. And then after that, there was Rida Hamid. Rida Hamid, well done. Many congratulations for becoming the star student of the week. And the last one, the last student was Vanya Chauhan. So Vanya Chauhan, Rida Hamid, and all others who have become the star students of the week, all five of you, I want to give you an applause along with our friends in the chat who can send emojis. Well done. So basically, what they have done, what Vanya, Rida, Danushika, and Janvi and Isa Binu have done, what they have done is that they have attended their regular classes properly without missing many classes, if any, and then they have performed really well in the classes, and then they have uh, they have been sent homeworks every day, which we do on me and classes. They have been sent homeworks every day, which they have done properly, correctly, and they have done all the homeworks. So, like this, you can also become the star student of the week if you attend your classes and do your homeworks properly and attend the classes properly. You can become the star students of the week and appear on YouTube. All right, and you can tell your friends and your cousins that see, I'm on YouTube, isn't it? So, Arya, Adarsh, I hope, and everybody else who is watching, I hope that you will also become the star student of the week in the coming weeks. Okay? So, let's move on. Okay, so as you know, we start off with a riddle. So the riddle is, what is heavier? Okay, 1 kg of feather or 1 kg of bricks? What is heavier? 1 kg of feather or 1 kg of bricks? Tell me. It's a riddle, it's a trick question. So there are feathers. If there are feathers of a bird, say, and it's 1 kg of them, and there is 1 kg of bricks on the other side, what will be heavier? Tell me, Ahia, tell me, Adarsh. Anybody else who is watching? Come on. There are so many people in the chat, but you have to reply. Come on. Don't be afraid of replying. So what is heavier, Ahia? 1 kg of feather or 1 kg of bricks? What do you say? I'll wait for the answer. Come on, Area. Come on, others. What is heavier, 1 kg of feather or 1 kg of bricks? So this is also actually this is a logical riddle. Okay, this is not a silly riddle. This is a logical riddle. So you guys have to tell me what is heavier. Yes, guys, tell me. Okay, I'll give you 30 seconds more to answer. I'm receiving. I have received an answer from others, and but others are not answering. Come on. Okay, so let's unveil the answer. Let's unveil the answer. Let's see what the answer is. What is heavier, 1 kg of feather or 1 kg of bricks? Both are same. Since both are 1 kg. See, what matters is not if it is feather or bricks or stones or I don't know boulders or a house. If it is 1 kg, it means it has been measured. And 1 kg, even though it will come in a big bag, the feathers will come in a big bag and the bricks will be small. It will be kind of two bricks, okay, or even one brick only. But if the weight is 1 kg for the feathers also, 1 kg for the bricks also, then both will be same. Okay, Arya and Jaishri Raturi gave the answer bricks, but that is not the answer. The answer is that both are same. That nothing is more heavy. That is both are equal in weight because it is 1 kg of feather and 1 kg of bricks. Both have been measured. Jaishri, you have to write your name along with your answer. Okay, so both will be same. They are both 1 kg. All right. So I hope you have understood this riddle. Okay. Now let's move to the next slide, and this slide shows us the voice of learners. This slide is there to show the names of students like Sarthak, Samarth, Sanvi, and others who join us, who join us every Sunday morning, and they are interactive here, try to learn something new, and try to answer the questions, and uh, be really good students here on YouTube Live and are regular here and interactive and understand the new things they have to understand and then answer. Also, this is to tell them that they are appreciated, and I hope they keep coming and learning and answering. Okay, and interacting, of course. Okay, so what we are going to study or what the questions on logical reasoning are going to be is regarding shapes and number patterns. Then there will be missing numbers. Then there will be relations and there will be odd one out. So these are the few things on which we are going to do some questions. So shapes and number patterns will be like if one see I'll make a pattern. If a triangle is followed by a square or a four-sided figure which has four sides. After that, a figure will be there which has five sides. Let me imagine this. It has five sides. What should be the next figure be? Then there is a blank. Okay. So after a triangle which is of three sides, uh, after that, if there is a square which is followed by a five-sided figure, the next figure should be a figure which has six sides. See, this is three sides, four sides, five sides, and then one, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Isn't it? So this is the kind of patterns we will look in shapes. Okay, and there will be other things. I could tell you all the questions at the start only, but this is something we are looking at. We have to check for patterns in shapes and check what the shapes are about. Okay, this we will understand with the help of questions, and you will focus on them. You will, and I know that you will be able to do it and understand also. Okay. Similarly, number patterns and missing numbers. What happens in number patterns and missing numbers? If there, for example, if there is a number pattern like this, if there is 4 followed by 8 followed by 12, then there will be a blank followed by 20, then there will be a blank followed by 28, and so on. So if you see this, the pattern is going like in the table of 4, or there are difference of 4 between each consecutive number, meaning 8 minus 4. If the second number is, I do the subtraction of the first number from the second, meaning if I do 8 minus 4, it will be equal to 4. If I do 12 minus 8, 12 minus 8. Again, this minus this, 12 minus 8, it will be equal to 4. Now there is a missing number between. Okay, there's a missing number between. What will be this number? Okay, 4, 8, 12. Then between this number which is blank or which is blank and between 12 there should be a difference of 4, meaning this number should be 12 plus 4 in this case, isn't it? So it should be 16. Kind of looks like the table of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, then 24, because 20 plus 4 is 24, and then 8. In this way, I checked the pattern of the numbers when it is given, and I checked that it is in the table of 4, and then I started filling the numbers. Similarly, if there is a pattern like 2, 5, 8, 11, then blank, then 17, then blank, then 23. Okay. Now this is not in the form of a table, but what we can see in this is that between each number, for example, between 2 and 5, there is a difference of 3, because 5 minus 2 is 3. Then 8 minus 5 is 3. Then 11 minus 8 is, this is 3 difference, 3 difference, 3 difference. Therefore, between 11 and the next number, there should be a difference of 3. Okay, so what will be 11 plus 3? It will be 14. So the number here, if I put 14, now check, 14 minus 11 will again be 3. Then 17 minus 14 will be again 3. So now 17, after 17 there is a blank. What should be this number? This number should be 17 plus 3, which is 20, because 20 minus 17 will be 3 only then. Okay, then 23 minus 20 is 3. So these are patterns which you have to look out for. If you are filling missing numbers in a pattern, or you are trying to make a pattern of numbers, there you have to check these things, that if it is happening, uh, if what is the pattern, if is the next number, for example, is this in the multiples of 4, or is the table of 4, this one I'm talking about, then each number there's a difference of 3. If in the next one, what happens, each number, yeah, correct, Jaishi S Ratori, you should write your name along with your answer. Okay, then I will be able to call you by your name. Okay, you have to tell me what your name is. Sometimes you join from your parents' accounts, and I don't get to know your name. That is why I'm saying it. So this is how we can check number patterns also. Okay, so shapes and number pattern, missing numbers are done like this, and odd one out, as you know, what I can do is odd one out is the number which doesn't fit there. Wh- What is the odd one out? Odd one out is, for example, I write like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 11. Then I write 12, 14. What will be the odd one out here? Oh, Krish. It is Krish. Okay. So it is Krish and Arya and others who have joined. So 2, 4, 6, 8, then 11, then 12, then 14. Okay, so what will be the odd one out here? See, 2, it is like the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are should have been 10, because 2, then 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14. So the number which doesn't fit here is this 11, isn't it? Correct. Krish has answered. So the answer which won't fit here will be 11, isn't it? So 11 will be the odd one out. This is what odd one out is, which the number which doesn't fit, or something in a pattern which doesn't fit. That is the odd one out. Okay, Arya. Okay, Krish. Okay, all others who have joined us. So this is what odd one out means. That is something which doesn't fit in that pattern. So we'll be looking at patterns of shapes and numbers, and looking at odd one out, and trying to find relations between things. So like this. So when there is a pattern, there's a relation. 2, 4, 6. What is the relation? It is in the table of 2, Isn't it? Two ones are two, two twos are four, two threes are six, two fours are eight, and so on. So we have to keep these things in mind and try to look for patterns in numbers and shapes, and then we can fill the missing numbers also, and then we can find the odd one out also. Okay, and then it will it will be quite easy for us. Okay, moving on. Okay, so who will tell me what is next, what should be the next figure in the given pattern? So there's a pattern. There is a way of looking at this pattern. There is a smiley or a smiley with tongue out, then the star, then the smiling face winking. Okay, so who will tell me? Who will tell me what will be the next number? Come on. Okay, I think Krish has answered. Krish. Okay, B. The circle. Krish is saying B, and so is area. Winking. Okay. So Krish is saying that it is a smiley with the tongue out, with the tongue out, and then with the tongue out, and then what happens? Then there is a star. Then there is a winking smiley. Then again there is a star. Then there is a there, then there is a winking. Sorry, there is a s- face with a tongue out. Then a star. Then a winking. Then again a star. Then there is one with uh, a, a circle or a smiley with a tongue out, and then there is a star, and then there should be, as Arya is saying, a winking face, and as Krish is also saying, it should be a winking face. See, it is the pattern, as you can see, it is in four. So one, two, three, four. See, check this. There is a this face with the tongue out, then a star, then a winking face, then a star. Again, see, there is this, and this. Then there is a sad star. So if there is a one face with the tongue out, then a star, then a face with a star, then a winking face, and then again a star. Then the pattern starts again in fours. It is, see. So with the tongue out, then the star, and then the third one is this winking face. It should be the winking face. So the option number B, winking face, is the correct answer. Okay. So option number B, winking face, is the correct. So who has answered? Let me see. So who has answered? All right. So the next thing is this question. So who will answer this question? Identify the pattern followed by the given pattern. So I'm waiting for your answers in the chat box. Yes, yes, Ahria. Okay, Krish has answered as option number C. So the So the answers are shape pattern, color pattern, growing pattern, and repeating pattern. What should be the answer? Krish has answered option number C. Let's see what others answer. Krish has answered as option number C. What will others answer? Come on, area. Come on, others. Identify the pattern followed in the given figure. Come on, guys. Tell me. Yes, thanks for the emojis, but you have to give the answer also. So come on, identify the figure. Okay, so let's check if Krish's answer is right. Okay, so the answer is that the question was to identify the pattern followed in the given figure pattern. So what is happening there? See, for this insect, the insect is growing. See, in every next picture, one the body of the insect is growing. So is there a shape thing in this shape pattern? No. Is there is a color pattern? Every insect, every next insect is of the same color, so no. Then growing pattern is there? Yes, because it is growing. So answer C, which Krish gave, is the right answer. Repeating pattern? No, there is not a repeating. There is not the same thing which is repeating. So no, it is not a repeating pattern. So the pattern which it is growing pattern, which Krish answered. Okay, so you know now that it is a growing pattern, isn't it? Okay, Arya, okay, Krish, okay, Adarsh, and everyone else who has answered and who is looking at the question. Hope you guys have understood, and now we can move on to the next question. Okay, so who will tell me what is the odd one out? Select the odd one out in this one. Think about it, select the odd one out. Come on, Krish, come on, Arya. Krish, Arya, and everybody else. Come on, you can answer it. Select the odd one out. Yes, my dear students, what is the odd one out? I am waiting for the answers in the chat box. Okay. Krish has given answer A. Uh, Krish, can you tell me why? You have to give the reason also if it is A, why? Come on, Krish. Can you write in the chat box why it is A? I can give a different answer. We need to know the reason, isn't it? That why you have given the answer A. So the answer Krish is giving is A. Okay. Area is also saying A, but I think it should be O. See, A, E, I, O, U, they are all vowels. If you know about vowels, even if you don't know. But see, these three letters are made up of straight lines. Okay, sleeping or standing or slanting, but the lines are either sleeping or slanting or um, okay, no. Okay, I understand, Krish. But see, these are made up of lines. All these sleeping lines, slanting lines, standing lines. That is what A, E, and I are made of. O is the only letter which is made of a curve. It doesn't have a line in it. It doesn't have a straight line in it. It has a curve. It is made up of a circle or a s- curved line. That is why I think the odd one out, the one that is different here is O. So this will be the odd one. Do you understand, Arya? Do you understand, Krishna? Okay. You are saying because A starts first in the alphabet, that is why you are saying it, isn't it? But I think there can be other things also. You can look at like that, but if you can find another pattern in it. But for me, it is O. Okay. But A being the first one doesn't make much, that won't be that odd. Okay. So this will be more appropriate. Anyways, now the next question is this one. Now you it is the number pattern I was speaking about the like last time. So this is very easy. Come on, tell me what will be the number in this number pattern which is at the question mark place. This place. What will be the missing number? What will be the missing number? Come on, beta. Tell me what will be the missing number. Very easy. I know Krish, you can do it. I know Arya, you can do it. I know others, you can do it, and everybody else. Come on. Okay, Krish has already given an answer. Let's see if Arya can give an answer. Come on, Arya. Krish has given an answer. Come on, Arya. Can you? Arya, others. Come on, can you give an answer? Okay, the time is over for this question. This was a very easy one, and Krish gave the right answer, which is option number D, 19. Why? See, the pattern is 18, then question mark or a blank space, then 20, then 21, then 22. So it is just counting numbers in a line. It is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So it obviously has to be 19 here, which is option number D. So the pattern, the missing number in the pattern was 19. It was straight away, these were counting numbers which were written in the line. So obviously it would have been 19. So this was an easy question, but this gave you an idea about what patterns mean, isn't it? What number patterns will mean, how you can find. Yes, Ahriya, now you have also given the answer, which is D. Yeah, Krish is saying one stable, like that also. Yeah. So, so we can give those reasons and we can say that 19 is the proper or the missing number which is in the pattern. Let's move. Now this is a, which sort of a pattern is this? Now it is saying identify the pattern followed in the given pattern. Is it a repeating pattern? Is it a shape pattern? Is it a growing pattern? Or is it a color pattern? What is happening in this? You can tell. Yes, Krish. Yes, Area. Okay, Krish has given an answer. Let's see if Area can give an answer. Anyone else who wants to answer? I'm waiting for the answer. Krish has answered. So, other Area. Okay, then time is over for this question, and let's check. So if it was like this starting, and Area has also given answer now, which is option C, and Krish has given the option C, that is a growing pattern, and I also think that the right answer should be growing pattern because see, if is it a repeating pattern? No, it is not repeating. Okay, is it a shape pattern? Okay, the shape is changed little bit, but it's not like we can. It's only about the shape. It is shape is changing only a little, but it is not becoming a shape which we know. It is not. It is becoming. It's like the rays of the sun are being added. Is it a color pattern? No, there is no change in color or like that. So the pattern which it is following again is the growing pattern because things are coming out of the circle and it is growing. So the pattern it is following is the growing pattern, isn't it? So well done. It's the growing pattern Area and Krish and others. Whoever did this question and understood it, yes, it is the growing pattern. Okay, now it's about relations. This question is about relations. If 5 plus toffee, 5 plus a candy is equal to 9, this is the first relation. 5 plus a candy is equal to 9, and then a lollipop plus a candy is equal to 14, then lollipop minus candy will be. Come on, think about this question. I will give you full 2 minutes for this question. Think about it, Area, Krish, and others. That if 5 plus a candy is equal to 9, and a candy plus a lollipop is equal to 14. Let me clear this so that you can watch it properly. Then what will be a lollipop minus candy? So basically you have to find the values of the toffee and the lollipop. Once you find those values from these two relations, you can make this sum and you can do this sum properly. I'll give you full 2 minutes for it to think about it and to do it also properly. But do it properly. Come on. Think about it. You can. It's not that difficult. It might seem difficult, but it is not. So come on, apply your minds, apply the logical reasoning. That's what we are doing today, isn't it? Okay, Krish answered. Krish answered, and Area also answered. Let's see. So 5 plus a candy, 5 plus a candy is equal to 9. Now 5 plus a candy is equal to, let's make a candy like this. 5 plus candy is equal to 9. Now 5 plus what will become equal to 9? Think about it. That will be 9 minus 5 will be whatever this candy is, because 5 plus something is equal to 9. What will be the something? Obviously it will be 4, because 9 minus 5 is also equal to 4, and also if you think about 5 and I add 4, it becomes 9. So the candy becomes 4, isn't it? Now a lollipop plus a candy is equal to 14. Let's take the second relation. Now a lollipop plus a candy like this is equal to 14. But this candy is equal to what? We just found, na? Candy is equal to 4. So lollipop plus 4 is equal to 14, isn't it? Lollipop plus 4 is equal to 14. So now what plus 4 will become 14? Obviously 14 minus 4 is also 10. We can subtract, and also we can imagine, we can just put 10 here. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. So the lollipop should become 10, isn't it? Isn't it? So if it is, yeah, Krish, you are doing it well. You have done it well. Area also. And so you have 10 is here, and the candy is 4. So if the lollipop is 10 and the candy is 4, 10 minus 4 will become equal to 6. And option C, 6 is the correct answer, as Chris said first, and then Harry also said, and then others also chipped in. So it is 6, which is option number C is the correct answer, and we saw how it is. Option number C, 6 is the correct answer, because quite simply, yeah, lollipop is 10, Krish, and we found the values of the toffee first, then of the lollipop from the relations we had, and then lollipop minus toffee becomes equal to 6. Well done. Well done, Krish. Now, next question. Find the missing number in the given number pattern. Who will find the missing number in the given number pattern? Easy one. I'll give you 1 minute for this question. This is an easy one. So the bottles are there, 40, then followed by 50, then a blank question mark, then 70, then 80. Okay, Krish has answered. Let's see if others can answer. Area, others, anybody else who wants to answer. Yes, 30 seconds left before we discuss it. 30 seconds left. Area, if you want to answer, others, if you want to answer. Okay, then. So indeed, 60 is the answer which Krish has given. Since this is simply in multiples of 10. So if this is 10 fours are 40, then this is 10 fives are 50. The second one, then the third one should be 10 six are 60, isn't it? Then this is 10 sevens, and then this is 10 eight. So it is continuing like that, the pattern, isn't it? So it is like the table of 10, starting from 10 fours are. So 10 fours are 40, then it should 50, then it should be 60. This number should indeed be 60, then space 70, then space 80. So option number D, 60 is the correct answer. So I think this was an easy question, and Krish got it really quickly and really early, and he said that it is option number D, 60, and he got it correct. So that is good. And let's move on to the next question. Okay, let's do this question. Yeah. Find the missing number in the given number pattern. Now again there is a number pattern. Find the missing number in the given number pattern. There's a number pattern on your screen and you have to find the missing number. And I'll give you just 1 minute for it because it is an easy one. Come on, Krish, come on, area. So it is 28 followed by 25. So the numbers are becoming less. 25, 25 followed by 22, 22 followed by a dash, then 16, then 13. What is the pattern that you can see in it? Okay, Krish has answered. Krish has answered. Let's see if area others and others can answer. Okay, so indeed, so I waited for answers, and so Krish has given answer option number B, 19, and indeed that is the correct answer because see, the first one was 28, the second one is 20, so it is going backward. So it is 28 minus 25. What is the difference of numbers? 3. Then 25 minus 22. What is the number difference of numbers? 3. So 28 minus 25 is 3. 25 minus 22 is 3. So 22 minus the second number, the which is the missing number should also be 3. So 22 minus what? 22 minus 3 will be equal to what? It will be 19. See, and 22 minus 19 is 3. So a difference of 3 will be maintained in the pattern. Isn't it? Minus 3, then minus 3. So if I write 19, then 19 minus 16 is also 3, and 16 minus 13 is also 3. So a difference of 3 is maintained if I write 19 in this blank space between the numbers. Consecutive numbers will have a difference of 3. See, this is minus 3, and this is minus 3, then this is minus 3, then this is minus 3, then this is minus 3. Okay, so yes, this is how to do this question. Well done, Krish. Okay, Krish, find the odd one out. And Arya and others, come on. Okay, Arya, yes, you have given the right answer also, but a bit late. This question we have to do in 1 minute only. So come on, find the odd one out. We have to do this really quickly. Find the odd one out. There is a pattern. There are some vehicles given, and you have to find the odd one out. We have to do this one quickly. Which is the odd one out here? Krish gave the answer. Well done. Area, 20 seconds for you. Can you give the answer? Okay, so the answer is indeed, as Krish said, the ship or the boat. Because see, this is a means of transport we use on the road because it has wheels. See, this is also used on the road. It has wheels, the car. And then, just a second. Then this is also, the bike is also used on the road, isn't it? So all three of them are used on the road, but the boat or the ship is in water. Therefore, it is different from this, from the other uh, vehicle. So it is indeed the boat, which is the odd one out. So I think we have time for one more question, which will be the Sunday bonus question. We'll do the Sunday bonus question. So it is here. Now, who will tell me which number will complete the given number pattern? Now tell me. Yes, Krish, you have been really good today. Come on, finish it off with a big 6, I would say. Which number will complete the given number pattern? So there is a pattern of the numbers in the star. So 9 is followed by 18, 18 is followed by 27, 27 will be followed by dash, and dash will be followed by 45. What should be the number? It's an easy one. Come on. Okay, Krish has answered. Let's give 30 seconds for others. Let's give 30 seconds to others if they can answer. Krish has already answered. Yes, Arya. Yes, others. So let's see the pattern. So it is 9 followed by 18 followed by 27. What is the pattern here? So if I tell you this is in the table of 9, 9 ones are 9, then 9 twos are 18. Oh, 9 threes are 27. Then the fourth number indeed should be 9 fours are whatever 9 fours are is, and 9 fours are 36. Isn't it? And 9 fives are 45, which is already written there. So 9 fours are will be this option, which will be 36, and it will be filled in this question mark. Okay. So basically what this means that consecutive numbers have a difference of 9 between them. If you subtract 18 minus 9, it is 9. 27 minus 18 is 9. Then 36 minus 27 will also be 9. So 36 will indeed be the right answer. So well done, Krish. Well done, Arya, and well done to everyone else who joined and answered. Um, Especially Krish, you were very good today. You were there from the start to the end and answered all questions properly and tried to understand everything properly. So you did great, and let's hope to see you again. And everybody else also, Area and others, and everybody else who joined us. So bye bye. Have a great Sunday today. Take care.